This is an offering up with this sound. Get up or sit down, only if it ain't loud enough.
Then turn it up.
Is this loud enough?
Come on, turn it up.
If it's loud enough, lift your head to the sky and sing loud with us. Now sing loud with us.
Seated under the sun, rallying trumpeters from the alley, the thunder is heard. Heavy the comforter in the valley of death. Run the track till no calories left. And my salary check is that of the promises Calvary kept. And it goes deeper than religion. The speakers keep a rhythm for the meek who seek the wisdom in the music of life. And you will know it when you're doing it right. When it's you on the mic, pursuing the light in the darkest of times.
Too often the blind will lead you and miss a target. I'm already sick and tired of trying to rely on liars. They feeding me bits. Pieces don't really fit, so I refer to the script. Sure, I'm in line for the time being. My future exists on a glorious list, created by a designer higher than cumulus tips. And I'm telling you this because it's relevant to the divine evidence found in every bone in my body in this sound.
They're trying to break us down. We stand face to the crowd, to the moment that the stones scrape the skin from the bones. When the veins start falling off the muscles that's hanging from a wound that's gaping, my heart starts aching for the lives that's been taken, for the world to be shaken. Where the shot hung a hose down, they're never forsaken. Those names are the bricks on the path that's laid, so we should bark and praise because they paved the way.
I can't help but explode to this sound. I'm grown with this sound, behold with this sound. This is an offering up with this sound. Get up or sit down, only if it ain't loud enough.
Then turn it up.
Is this loud enough?
Come on, turn it up.
If it's loud enough, lift your head to the sky and sing loud with us. Now sing loud with us.
I'd rather be the dead living than live in the dead tomb. The fumes on my sweat is a perfume on my struggle. Prayers double in value, Shabbat double in value to the author of life with many know they plume.